Hi guys, in this series of videos I'm going to talk about CMAT exam starting from verbal, GK, quant, logic, so the complete process of the CMAT as we go along. So every day I'm going to upload one video about the CMAT exam. So this is more of an overall strategy video, how to plan your preparation for the CMAT exam. And the best way to start your preparation for CMAT is give a mock. CMAT is, trust me, one of the most easiest exam you'll see. ठीक है, क्वांट में अगर आप कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाओगे is because you don't know the formula. Otherwise, all the questions are doable. Unlike CAT, all the questions are doable. Formula याद नहीं आया तो नहीं कर पाए obviously, but otherwise you can't say the question were difficult. Difficult नहीं था, वो आपको आता नहीं था, ऐसा बोलो आप. Are you getting me? For example, if I don't know logs, even if you give me an easy question logs, I can't solve because log कभी किया ही नहीं है. तो how can you claim that question to be difficult? For you, it's difficult, obviously because आपको आता नहीं solve करने को. But exam में difficult नहीं है, ठीक है, right? So same way we are going to talk about the every section. So my advice is to start your paper with the verbal section. So there are 25 questions of the verbal section. Time for the verbal section should be around 60 minutes. Total 100 questions, 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay. And total time we have is 3 hours, which is 1 hour 80 minutes. 60, 60, 60, the ideal breakup for the timer. Now what I want to do is, I want you to, there is no section timer, but I want you to break the section to part. For example, logic section 60 minutes is more than sufficient. Quant 60 minutes is more than sufficient, and verbal and GK combined 60 minutes is more than sufficient. So what I recommend, we can put here 50 and 10 or maybe 55 and 5 depending upon your breakup, but you have to break up the paper into timers. That's the easiest way to perform in everywhere. ठीक है, तो वो हमारा breakup हो गया तो मेरा काम आसान हो जाएगा. And from the attempt point of view, in the verbal section you have to attempt minimum 22 to 23, in GK minimum 15, in quant again 20 plus, and in logic 22 to 23. So mota attempt have to be 80 in case you're targeting the top college. And the best part of CMAT is accuracy is going to be high because the level of difficulty is not very high. Your accuracy will automatically go up. So 80 attempt par ho gaya, you have a very good chance to get a good college. And 300 plus should be a target score, which means out of 100 you have to do 75 correct. तो 80 प्लस में आपको अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाएगा. JB, सोमाया, सिडनम, विलिंकर, NIA, Go Institute of Management, all the top colleges you can get if you are targeting 80 plus attempt, which is 300 marks. तो 300 marks आ गया, you can get a good college. Otherwise 250 plus is also considered to be a good college. ठीक है, I'm going to put that in a separate video, how much score will get you, what percentile, but this is a mota overview about the CMAT exam in what should be a target score, target attempt and target paper. तो आप एक मॉक दो, start with the verbal section, GK, logic and quant. ये मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया यहाँ पे. So this should be logic and quant. This should be the order of preference, and accordingly it interchange हो जाएगा आपस में. So this is the best way you can strategize yourself and score more marks. And CMAT, trust me, if you get a good score, it's a direct entry into JB, Sydenham, sorry not JB now, Sydenham, Somaya, Willinker, without GDPI, no condition asked, no question asked, direct entry. तो CMAT में अपन अच्छा कॉलेज लेके आ जाएंगे, then we will purely focus on the CET paper, yeah, so that I can score more marks. Sydenham आप मेरे को यार सोमाया का कॉल ला दो या विलिंकर का कॉल ला दो, एक बार विलिंकर सोमाया हो गया, then my target will become only one college, which is JB through CET. Alright, so now I'll go deep down into every workshop, quant, verbal, logic, and perform there. Alright, so all the best. Thank you.